Enjoy, find time for kindness, and use plastic responsibly.
Hey there, I'm Jonah Rose, and today we're setting sail on a price tag treasure hunt in the world of 3D printing. Get ready to dive into the fantastic creations and discover how much magic you can craft for your budget. From summer vacation to the 3D benchies, we'll be exploring the estimated prices from these incredible 3D printed wonders. So, whether you're on a treasure hunt or just curious, join us now as we uncover the delightful world of 3D printing prices. Let's dive right in and explore some incredible creations. First up, we have the Summer Vacation, a fantastic set that under normal circumstances with a $20 spool could cost around $9. Next, the decorative Hanya mask will capture your imagination, and it might be estimated at $5. And those wanting to embrace the mystique of the Ani mask can for an estimated $4. For those seeking adventure props, the katana awaits you, and it could be priced around $4.50. And for a touch of greenery, the Anchor Moji planter is available at an estimated $4.30. Please keep in mind that these are just rough estimates based on a $20 spool of filament. Actual costs may vary depending on the filament prices and any modifications you'd like to make. There's something for everyone. The possibilities are endless. Here's some prints costing around $3 from a $20 spool. Here's some prints costing around $2. These are under $1. The 3D Benchy coming in at around 25 cents. Thank you for being part of our incredible 3D printing journey. Your support means the world to us. As we approach the end of the year, let's embrace the magic in creation and welcome the new year with open arms. Wishing you a fantastic year ahead, filled with endless creativity, joy, and new horizons. Happy New Year!